New Ronaldo codes. New Ronaldo codes. Follow along. Let's redeem the brand new Ronaldo code. Blue Lock Rivals. Free lucky spins. I was trying to level up. Guys, I was trying to level up. I was playing Blue Lock Rivals. I was trying to level up. And then I was watching a movie. I was actually watching a movie. There was a bunch of cutscenes on my screen and I couldn't see the gameplay. I saw every single one of these characters spawn in a cutscene and I thought, how do I play the game? Blue Lock Chiralo dropped some new codes. Let's actually showcase. Follow the new event. Follow the new event, guys. Follow the new event. Follow the event. Follow event. Follow event. Follow event. Follow the new Blue Lock event. If you follow the event, we are going to get codes. So you have to click on notify me. Click on notify me inside of Roblox. Follow the event so you can actually get ourselves new codes. Follow these two events. So just follow this one, follow that one, and then if you follow these two, you're good to go. Always follow these events so we can get extra codigos, extra codes instead of Blue Lock. Alright. First code. If you need yourself some extra slots in Blue Lock, I'll be gifting extra slots. Comment Ronaldo. I am number 7. Comment Ronaldo if you want extra slots in Blue Locks Rivals, so you can actually get some crazy new units. Now, Oreo. First code is going to be very simple. The first code is going to be Oreo. Now Rio code. This is the first code that you actually want to redeem. It's going to be now Rio. The next one is going to be trading update. New trading update soon. Never, I mean. Master of all trades. Now Isagi. Now Rio. Now Oreo. Ronaldo. I'm number 7. Do not comment first. Never comment first and follow all the Chiralo events. If you follow all the Chiralo events, we're going to get massive lucky spins.